This has actually been a great coffee. I love the packaging for one thing from Intelligentsia. I love the smell, the taste. What I did find though is Intelligentsia coffee doesn't always make the best pour over. So a lot of the times when I put it in this Bodum maker, Intelligentsia shines so much better. It feels like anytime I order madcap coffee, it always makes better in a pour over. So it's interesting. What's the main difference in these two pour overs? Well, if you look, you've got two holes that drain out the bottom there. If you check this out, there's no holes draining out the bottom there. So it's a slower brew, and it goes through the sides in the mesh filter right there. So that is extracting more from your coffee this way than this. And then if you got the V60 where the big open bottom is, which I could actually grab one of those. I got this big open bottom, that's going to lead to less extraction and making a different taste too. So all of these different things make these taste totally different and stuff. And it's always about the grind and about the right ratios. 1:16 is pretty normal in the third wave coffee industry. And good water, and I really suggest all the time adding minerals, trace mineral drops to your drinks as well, because this can not only enhance the flavor and the taste, but we're not getting these trace minerals from our foods anymore, and can help out your body tremendously. So, gosh, this makes me want to get back into using my V60. I'm going to have to do that, guys. I'm so glad I made this video. So glad I got my V60 out. Anyways, guys, if you wanted to, check the links in the description. Support the channel. I'd appreciate it.